What's up? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing good. I hope everyone's having a fantastic Monday. Is it Monday? No, Tuesday for me. Okay, I hope everyone's having a good time, enjoying their day. But today's episode, the wagon. Oh man, this wagon, the Corona wagon, it's broken. It broke down on me on Sunday when I was coming from Wasaga Beach. I was almost home. Funny part, I was almost home. You know, just cruising down. Alright, I'll tell a little backstory here. So I was cruising on the highway, close to Markham, 401. And you know, I was like, okay, getting home, prepared to get home. And then suddenly, the car just shut off. I was like, uh-oh. What's going on? So I thought that I ran out of gas, but I put a lot of gas on this. So I checked my gas fuel. I checked the fuel level is fine. I'm like, what's going on? So I pull over on the side safely. Pauline was behind me, so you know, because she was driving with me. And I checked, and I tried to start it again. It started, but it was having a hard time to start. So I was like, I was like, okay, that's weird. So I got it started. It ran for like maybe like 10 seconds. I drove, and then the car started stalling. I'm like, it was stalling, like it was shutting off. I was like, what the heck is going on? Like, I was like, come on, man, it's a Toyota. What's going on here? So I pull over somewhere, somehow. I made it to Progress Road, and the car wouldn't go anymore. It will start, it will idle fine, but then it will shut off. So I was like, okay. I started looking around, couldn't see anything. The fuel pump was working, but I felt like it was not working properly, because like it would just die, like it would just cut off, like, you know when you run out of gas in the carburetor, it just kind of like bleh, right? So it felt like that. So today, you know, after work, Tuesday, after work, you know, I had dinner or whatever, and I came out to see what else is wrong. Now, like, I put I'll show you what I did. So I got an empty water bottle. I took out this line here. You guys can see it. Let me see if I can show you guys better. But I took out this line here, okay, and I put the line inside the water bottle, and I cranked it. Nothing, zero pressure. Yesterday on Sunday, it worked properly. I mean, there was gas going, but like I feel like it was not the right pressure, because it will go, it will start, and it will shut off. Like, it looked like the pump just kind of like cut off, because I don't know, something wrong with the pump, fuel pump, because I did have issues with this before, not anymore, so I doubt it is that. So I can almost guarantee you that it is the fuel pump, because I have a feeling it's a fuel pump, because before I heard like a whining noise coming from the back, and I don't remember hearing that whining noise before. I thought it was my diff. Oh shoot, it's my diff. But then I stopped, and I can hear like, I was like, okay, for sure it's a fuel pump. Fuel pump is going, because usually OEM fuel pumps don't make that loud noise unless you have a modified car. Like the Supra, you can hear like normal. But this, I was like, okay, that's not normal. But it's kind of my fault why the fuel pump went on this, because I always have it on empty for whatever reason. This is the only car that I push it to the limits. Super low fuel, and I guess the fuel pump burned down, and that's kind of my fault. So don't do that, guys. Don't have your gas all the way down, because your fuel pump actually suffers. So I don't think it was the car's fault, it's my fault. So don't do that, guys. But let me show you where the fuel tank is. And I thought that I was supposed to drop the fuel tank, but I don't think I have to. I kind of want to drop the fuel tank, because I wanted to paint the underneath and paint the fuel pump, but I mean the fuel tank. But I guess that'll be another time. But let me show you guys the fuel tank. All right, here's the fuel tank right here. This is where the spare tire will go. So it's a couple of bolts to remove it, but I just checked here. Let me see if I can show you guys. And I believe it's kind of dark, but I believe this is the fuel pump right here. I just hope it's the fuel pump here. If that's the case, it saved me a lot of hours. I mean, it's not a problem. I can bring it down. I did the Supra before. It's not that bad. There's more space on this one, but I do need to drain the gas a little bit because I don't want it to spill when I take this out. So I think this is the fuel pump. I checked online to see where it's located, but I can't find nothing for this wagon. So I'm just taking guesses. If it comes down to worse, I'll lower the gas tank. I'll paint it nice, which one day I'm gonna do it anyways, because I want to see what's behind here. I want to know if there's any rust or anything. I doubt it though, but you know, peace of mind. I do want to, you know, make it look pretty underneath here eventually. But let's see if I can get this down. It looks like it's never been replaced, so replacing the fuel pump, it's a good idea right now. So why not, right? Since I'm already here, I would like to take out the fuel tank, but I mean, winter's almost here, and I kind of want to drive it a bit more. So yeah, let's see what happens. This is just an episode right now for you guys, because I do want to drive the wagon because there's a show coming up and a car meet at my work, so I kind of want to drive it until then. So yeah, I'm trying to get it running as soon as I can, because the show, okay, festival show is September 9 and a car meet is September 24. Write that down, guys, at Right Drive. You guys can come and have fun and cards and coffee. So I'm trying to get this thing running as soon as I can, because yeah, summer's almost over, so I want to give it a last cruise, because around September, end of September, I'm probably gonna put it away, but we'll see how the weather is. So let's get to work. I'm not gonna show you everything how I do it, because it just takes a long time to, you know, to videotape, and I'll show you how I did it, how I took out anyways, but I'm not gonna show you like the whole process of it. All right, so stay tuned for that. Like, look at the underneath. Like, there is no rust on this car. California, baby. Can you see anything there? It's dirty. It's really dirty underneath here for sure, but underneath is super spotless. There's not even a bit of rust anywhere here. I do need to clean it up here and there, but you know, I'd rather that than rust. Look at the suspension, it's nice. Alright, so I'm getting the gas out. It's left in half tank now, the car. It was almost not full yet, but it's less than half tank now. I have I have like a little less than half here, so I'm doing a little bit by little bit. Yeah, it's not too much fun right now. Spilled a little bit, but nothing crazy. I have this mat thing here, but yeah, it smells like fuel a lot here. Not the greatest. I'm getting kind of dizzy, but it is what it is. It's all right. Let it drip, baby. God damn! Look how nice this sky looks right now. Wow. So beautiful, nice and windy too. It's not too hot. Here we got the two wagons. Oh man, that looks so nice right now. I wish I can go shoot this with this nice look right now. Wow. Falls is actually around the corner. It's very windy. It's been raining quite a bit, so winter is coming almost. I hope that's where the fuel pump is. I hope so. If not, then I'm probably gonna have to drop the gas line, which is fine for me, not a problem. It's just a little bit extra work just before the car shows, and the car meet we haven't, but that's fine. It is what it is. This is priority. Before I talk it away, I want to do this so in the summer, like next year summer, I can just drive it. I don't have to worry about it. So plus I like to start my car up in the winter, get the fluids up. So let's hope tomorrow, or not sure when I'll have time to do it. Alright guys, you know what, I took some time and I got the fuel pump out. You know, I said I was gonna do it tomorrow, but you know what, I was so close to finish to get it out, and I got it out. So this is where the fuel pump is located. It's at that corner over there where the bolt is to drain the fuel tank. And as you can see, it looks like they changed the fuel pump a while back. There's a date there. It says 23/6, so I guess 23 day and 2006 maybe, I'm not sure. That's that's a long time ago actually. And it does smell like burnt, like something's burnt here. I am gonna repair here. You can see it right here. It's kind of like crap. Zoom in, zoom out, come on. As you can see here, this wire here is almost coming off, so I'm gonna bring it to Ride Drive and see if they can get it fixed. Yeah, so I'm gonna order the fuel pump. I wanted to get it out to see like which one I need to get, because there's two kinds. There's the mechanical manual fuel pump, and there's another fuel pump that I don't know, and then there's this one. So I need to order this one here. But the filter looks, I mean, inside looks pretty dirty actually. So we're gonna order the whole kit. It's not that expensive. It comes with the gasket here and everything. We're gonna change that. But it does look like it was changed before. I'm not too sure, maybe 2006. So we are gonna take this tomorrow, and we are gonna order it tonight and get it running. Hopefully that's what the issue is. Like I said, there was no fuel going when I was checking, so probably the fuel pump did give out. So cross the fingers, or maybe it's this wire here, I don't know. But I'm still gonna change the fuel pump anyways. It doesn't hurt it anyways if this was the problem. Right here, this wire is literally gonna come off. So I'm gonna take it into work tomorrow and see if I can get a see. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's not looking good. So yeah, it's crappy. I would like to change this whole unit, but I don't think they have it. I'm gonna look around anyways. Maybe it's on stock, maybe I can get it, but I'm not too sure. But if I can get this whole thing brand new, that'd be awesome. Alright, so this is it for today's episode. Next one is going to be me actually putting it back in, and hopefully it starts. I'll show you guys if it starts or not, because if it doesn't, that's going to suck. Alright, that was my wife. We just got married, so she just came and checked me to see if I was okay. Still alive. I am alive now. But we're gonna go get some slushes right now. End of the day. I'm gonna go shower because I smell like gas. You probably don't see my face, but yeah, we're gonna get some slushies done for the day. I'm gonna bring that in tomorrow. Maybe one of the guys at Ride Drive can get it fixed for me, please. I hope I can get it fixed. If not, then I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'll figure it out. But anyway guys, thank you guys for watching this episode. Next episode we are going to be starting it up, and hopefully that's the issue guys, because if it's not, then I don't know what else it could be, but I'm pretty sure it has something to do with fuel, because there was no pressure on it whatsoever. But so yeah, see you guys, see you next time.